PM here.
I am here.
How are you all doing today, Fam Bam?
We hope you're well today, and we hope
Welcome.
that we're gonna make you full today.
Yes, welcome everybody. Welcome, Fam Bam. For those of you who are new to our channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so.
Yeah, and hopefully you're gonna like the content that we have.
Yes.
In this channel.
Yes. Welcome back for all of our loving and super supportive Fam Bam.
Love you.
Guys, we are trying something pretty strange today. What are we having, baby?
So we're gonna have egg, Pancit Canton, spicy noodles for PM, and some frog legs. Generally frog legs. And
Why are you shaking?
yeah. So we mix the batter for this, and then we fry it up, and hopefully it tastes.
We have Filipino
different.
butter in this one. And shout out to the coldest water
water.
bottle over here. Got my bottle over here as well. This the other one is a display, but this is the one that we have drinks.
No, it's not just a display. I haven't used it yet. I'm waiting for something, and then I'm gonna use it.
Yes, so this is the water bottle that I've had for like a few months now, right?
Yes.
And
we took it back home as well.
yeah, so if you guys want to join the giveaway that we have,
Please check out the link below.
The link down below. You can join by just
miss that
entering your email address and your full name. But if you want to purchase your own, just make sure you click on the link down below as well. Use PM21AM. If you live in America, you'll get free shipping with that code. Or if you're
only in America.
Yeah, only in America. But if you don't live in America, you'll have to pay for the delivery charge, which what we did for this bottle.
Yes.
And those ones, the pink one and the tumbler over there, the coldest company actually sent those to us
and thank
free
you so
of charge.
much. Call this company, you're the best.
Yes, and we had to pay for what did we have to pay for that one? The custom fee, because we had that pink one, the tumbler, and what's the other one? The white bottle, right? The little one that you use currently at work.
The 21 ounce.
Yes. So Fam Bam, make sure you grab something to eat, and let's try this strange meal that we're about to eat.
Pancit Canton tayo.
Right.
I actually miss Pancit Canton.
You do? This is my.
And normally it's only a tiny portion, but when we went back home, we took some Pancit Canton, and this is 2, and it's a lot already.
Yeah, the one that they have over here is very small.
Very small.
Hang on, Fam Bam. There's a
spicy.
little bit smudge on our
I was looking at that the whole time.
lens. Ogan?
You're squeaky clean now, Fam Bam.
Yes,
Just
you are a
making
little
sure.
bit dirty. I'm joking. The screen was,
you,
the lens was a little bit dirty.
You've got something. Right.
Enjoy,
Wait,
Fam Bam.
there's food. Joking. You're on a date, and then you don't want to talk to them, that they have something in their mouth. Wait. I'll do that to you, and you won't like it. Well, you don't like it.
So I got my egg as well here.
This flavor is calamansi and spicy. So
Chili mansi.
there you are. So I'm actually eating spicy today.
Are you ready? We cooked this, by the way, Fam Bam. Are you ready for this?
And one frog didn't survive. The leg came off
Yeah.
because it's too cooked already. And the woman said it tastes like chicken.
Yeah, I went to the the Asian shop earlier, and I was walking around. I was like, ooh, what shall I buy?
Who tasted frog before?
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to bite the leg.
Did you say neck?
Leg. Mmm. It is
Still
good.
worrying about the black stuff.
Mmm. The butter is really good. Light.
Okay, fair enough.
Airy. Look how tiny the bones is.
Let me just put lettuce on the bottom.
Look.
I'm gonna put ketchup in there.
Mmm, that's really good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
What's the other half of my egg? Did I eat it already?
Yes.
I completely forgot.
You can review the footage.
Well, when I edit it. Actually, when you edit it. Ooh. Bam AM is going to be editing our mukbangs from now on. Let's see what you come up with.
Please
Billy.
don't keep your hopes up. I'll be plain, like skipping everything, cutting everything. But I'll try my best to make it pretty for you guys.
I told you I haven't eaten it.
That's mine.
Oh, sugar nuts.
Why don't you just believe me?
I'm sorry.
You getting old, PM?
Tiny bones.
Big leg. They're so muscular, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, all they do is hop, so what do you expect?
And you're like, oh, let's cook the palaka.
Let's cook the
The
coca.
kokak.
Good, huh? Yep.
Tissue, please. I'm eating spicy bam, so I'm gonna use tissue, okay? I know how you hate me using
They
a
don't
lot.
hate you.
I mean, I dislike it as well because I've seen a lot of our video and I've seen a lot of our videos.
And there's times that I would eat that I wouldn't even have tissue in front of me. And my face would just be messy.
I know, and I feel sorry for the planet. I'm using a lot of tissue.
Oh wow.
Sorry. Wait lang. Bukas ang pinto. It's cold. It's nighttime, that's why it's a bit cold. I'm gonna use my hand.
They're really good.
It's not bad. I'm still thinking twice to eat it.
Why?
Because we never eat. Well, now I'm eating it. You know what I'm thinking of?
What?
Princess and the Frog. It feels very nice, no?
Oh yeah, I like that film. Naveen of what? What's
Adonia.
huh?
Adonia.
What country?
I don't know.
I can't remember.
Adonia nga eh. The bones look so different. I bet you found dissect a frog before. I haven't.
Have you not?
Oh.
Never done it as well. Second
I
frog.
always skip that class.
Why?
I don't like it. This is why I don't want to be a nurse. Okay.
Really good. I cooked it, obviously it's good, right?
Bigot! Bigot the one!
And put it in the tissue.
Can I?
Is it hot? Put it in the tissue. You wanna try some of mine? Yeah? Good. There you go.
Ayaw!
Just one bite.
Ayaw! Ayaw! Cheers! There you go.
So what do you think of frog game? What does it taste like? Oops, sorry about that, fam.
Oh, that's not mine.
That's my phone.
That's someone else's phone.
Hi, baby. Can I try yours?
It's good.
Can you compare it into any meat?
I can't say chicken.
No?
No.
What? I think it is. The closest meat that you can think of.
Chicken.
Just a little.
Although they're really meaty though.
Yeah. Look at the meat. Look. It's just a thigh.
Oh, there's a wishbone.
Are you sure it's a wishbone?
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it?
No.
Yeah, but
That's their leg.
no, this is the back.
Is it? Mm.
Did you think it's a wishbone? Sorry.
Wait. You've had. What's the strangest thing you've ever eaten, baby?
Strange. In a way, what kind of strange?
Food. People doesn't eat.
Well, different, I'll say.
Different.
Yeah.
Like.
Like well, I haven't tasted before. Like the one that we came back home. We went back home and then I ate some cacao fruit.
Strangest thing.
That's strange to me. I didn't realize that's a fruit.
What you thought?
It's just
The chocolate tree is just a seed.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't think cacao is a fruit? No? Never thought of that?
I just said that I never thought that about it.
Strange.
Although I was watching documentaries about it.
Yeah.
But they just chuck away everything. I mean, they just peel it off and
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just dry it up straight away.
Yeah.
Nobody eats it.
Yeah.
AM's got 2 packet, I have 2 packet as well. Who did no more Samyang spicy noodles?
That's not. Oh.
You just dip your egg in ketchup. A little strange, no? Not boiled egg. I never dip my boiled
It's
egg.
the same thing.
Really?
Who dip their boiled egg in banana ketchup or ketchup or any dipping?
I know, the other one, scrambled egg. That's the only thing I dip egg
What?
with ketchup. But
Yeah,
not,
inside up.
yeah, but not,
Yeah, but there's still egg.
I know. So for the
You can dip anything with it.
yeah, for those of you who are thinking, what do frog leg taste like, or what do frog taste like? Tastes like chicken.
Well, it depends how you cook it, anyways.
Yeah. If you cook it fried, then it tastes like fried chicken.
Yes. Sorry, I keep on burping deep inside while I'm talking.
Good.
Yeah.
You still thinking about Princess and the Frog?
Yes, I'm singing in my head.
What song?
Doesn't matter what it looks like.
Doesn't matter what it looks like. Is that the lyrics? No, the one.
That's what the lady, the witch or
Yeah. Mama Odie.
Mama Oli.
Is that right?
Mhm. I hope this is from or
Must be.
I'm sorry people eat you.
Like you?
Yeah, but you just tried it today.
You've had this at the restaurant as well.
Yeah, like 6
So-
years ago.
We did go on a date one time, and
No, what I tried is this bit. Like,
Just a
not
little
even the whole bit. Just that bit.
is it?
Yes.
Did I eat all of it?
Yes. Although there is only like
4?
3 pieces in there.
And there were just the leg, not the body, not half the body.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. So basically, just this whole thing, right? So just like this whole thing, right? You okay? So this is what we ordered
A bit magic.
last time.
Just a leg, not even half body. Actually, it's 4 legs.
I think the reason why you like this is because it's got Filipino flavoring in it.
Who liked it?
You?
I don't like it.
What, this?
Yeah, I just want to taste it. I don't like it.
Why? Because of the Princess and the Frog?
Yeah. This is what happens if you have a kid in the house.
What? You? Me?
Like, I wouldn't eat.
What?
I'm thinking of something.
You
I
would
wouldn't eat rabbit because of Easter eggs and all.
Well, I tricked you one time. You ate.
I didn't eat rabbit.
You've had rabbit meat.
Soup, I have.
You-
Pate, yes. Rabbit pate.
You've had them. At one point I was working at a was this a grocery store?
It's like a
What?
fancy.
Grocery store, fam. It's called Fortnum and Mason. I worked there for like good 6 months.
Yeah.
That was the second job that I had. Fortnum and Mason. I was serving food
Oh, pates, yeah.
like Scotch
picky-
egg.
Picky stuff.
Yeah, one of those
Scotch
ready to eat
egg,
meat. I mean food.
Olives, all of that.
Yeah.
The snacks, basically. Or
It's
cannabis
it's
or
in a
something.
it's in a grocery.
Yeah, it's like a cannabis.
Yeah. So I gave a this no, it was a pie.
Okay. Yeah. Just
Yeah.
pie.
They were famous with their Scotch egg because apparently Fortnum and Mason invented Scotch egg. Scotch egg, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a hard-boiled egg wrapped in sausage.
Huh?
Scotch egg.
Wrapped in sausage?
Yeah, it's inside the sausage. And then there's crumbs around it. Scotch egg. Did you not know Scotch egg?
No, I haven't tasted it.
Yes, you have. I gave it to you before.
I forgot.
I was so forgetful.
I am a forgetful person that you can think of. Except you, I don't forget you. I'm full.
I don't think I'm going to finish this.
I'm really full.
You had like 2 bites left.
I'm gonna cry tonight because of you.
We got like 2 bites left, baby.
Zoek naar voor.
Ah,
It's good though.
what, the
I
frog?
like how it tastes like and the butter that we used.
Yeah?
It's just I want to eat again.
You don't like it anymore. You don't want to eat it anymore. I'll finish your Pancit Canton.
I mean, I eat enough chickens in the world.
Yeah.
And pork and beef. I think I'm gonna stick to those and lobster and crabs and ducks. I ate a lot of ducks.
You felt sorry for the crab that I cooked last time.
Yeah, because it was cooling. It was still cooling.
Yeah, even the crab that we bought from Billingsgate.
No, even the crab that you cooked last time.
You were saying
No,
sorry.
no, back home.
Yeah. You were saying sorry to it because you
Remember-
accidentally held the eye.
Yeah.
You weirdo.
I poked it.
So you feel sorry for the animal and the crabs and the shellfish, but you still eat them anyway.
I know, and when they're in my tummy, I don't care anymore. Mean, right?
You're a horrible person.
What? I am horrible.
Do you think you will ever be a vegetarian?
I'll be like Penny.
What?
Vegetarian but occasional steak. Oh, I love steak. We love Big Bang. And so sorry they finished.
That was the very episode of Big Bang Theory. I was disappointed that it finishes.
Although,
Because I was still waiting.
it's really long.
Yeah, I was still waiting for
For
what's his name?
Raj to get married or something.
Yeah, for Raj to get married,
And for them to have a baby.
for Sheldon to have a baby, because I think Amy is pregnant.
Yeah, Amy's pregnant, and the thing is, so is Penny.
Yeah,
How come they didn't continue that?
and Raj didn't go to London because, so it means he's not gonna get married.
So
He's still single.
there's sort of like a gray area down there. It's like it's not even finished yet, but they
Yeah.
have to finish it for some reason.
Maybe the staff got tired. They have enough money already. Because they're one of the top earners in America now, isn't it? In Hollywood.
And the longest series. They probably cut it off because it's too long already, and then they're gonna renew another one. And hopefully it's not gonna end up like Friends. Friends just stopped it like
All of a sudden.
all of a sudden. Like what happened today. I mean, what happened to Big Bang. It's not even, the story is not even finished yet. And they cut it.
There's always a cliffhanger. Didn't Sheldon hated that? He called up a lot of sci-fi channels just to say, you need to continue it.
What?
And then they did it anyway.
What?
Hmm?
Which one? What part are you talking about?
There's an episode that Sheldon got really pissed off with the sci-fi channels because they keep on ending the really good episodes on a cliffhanger.
Mm-hmm.
And then it was already cut off. Like they're not making any more.
But yeah, that's our
rant for the day. I don't think I can finish this. It's not.
also there's no Game of Thrones anymore. And also the dragon died.
Shut up!
Sorry. It's not me. It's a no. It's the movie that we watched.
We went and watched a movie. What's the movie called?
The Last Century? No.
No, Long Run.
Last Shot.
It's a long run. What do you mean Last Shot? You weirdo.
Last Shot.
It's a long run
Sorry. I have to.
or long shot. I think
I
it's
have
long
to
shot.
win 1 second. I have to
Long
win.
shot. It's a long shot.
No. I have to win 1 second.
What do you mean you have to win? Long
Because you're-
shot. Long shot.
No. Hello.
Tomorrow. You're in a different.
Sorry. Fam bam 1 second. The what?
I think I can only finish one.
Long shot.
See? In your face.
So anyway, okay, my Pancit Canton is done.
I can't finish this anymore. I'm full. I don't know why I can only eat this much now.
Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
That's it, fam bam. We didn't finish the frog leg because AM didn't really help me as much. I think I had
What do you mean I didn't mean to help? Oh, I only had
1, 2. You got 3 left. So you had 1. Or did you have 2?
1 and
I think I had 4.
this.
Yeah. So fam bam, thank you so much for tuning in with us today and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever we upload a video.
And also, we would like to know if you tried this before and how you cooked it. Comment below, fam bam, because we're not sure if fried is better with
frog
legs.
But most of the time I see them as fried anyway.
Yeah, but do you cook it
think
differently? So please comment below if you do.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Is this a delicacy in your country? Or would
you eat it?
Yeah, would you eat it?
Would you have a go?
Comment down below. Also, let us know what you ate with us today, okay? And that's it for us, fam bam. You have a good day. Yeah, my nose is running. Have a good day and take care always. And we'll see you again
in our next
video.
Thank you, fam bam.
Bye, fam bam. Love
See you next time.
Bye.